Hello friends, I am Dr. Aarti Daswani and I want to thank Dr. Bhavdeep Singh Ahuja sir from the bottom of my heart for a 5-week long intense workshop on record keeping and consent in dentistry that I recently attended. It was wonderfully designed and very thoughtfully sequenced. This workshop has made me extremely systematic, organized, and diligent at record keeping of my practice, that too in a completely digital mode. It has helped me create systems for the efficient and smooth functioning of my practice. Through this workshop, I understood the importance of making customized informed consent forms for each of my patients and realized that there is so much more to it than just being a ready made template or a form. And in the process, I have become so much better at paying attention to details and formulating proper treatment plans for my patients and then conveying the same to them in simple language. And not only this, putting all this on paper for complete transparency. This, I feel, strengthens the relationship between a doctor and a patient and completely eliminates any chance of miscommunication or misunderstanding. I highly recommend this workshop to each and every practicing clinician, and I genuinely feel that it's a must do for everyone. Thank you.